Hey guys, so if you want to see how I created this look, this was actually a requested look, coral to hot pink, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. So anyway, if you'd like to see how I created it, just keep on watching. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I've been wanting to do like a sunset look for a little while, but I never really got around to doing it. So when I got asked to do like a corally hot pink kind of look, I was like, hold on, I'll be able to do like a sunset theme kind of situation. And I absolutely love the way that this looks. I just think it's just so pretty. Like, this is probably what I would want to wear like at a beach resort. It's just so summery. It's just so pretty. So thank you so much for asking me to do this look, because I absolutely love the way that it turned out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.